another glass. Here's to life.
What the f is he doing? What? More spaghetti in there. We cook spaghetti to order.
Yes, chef.
Even the f***ing dirtiest, scummiest Italian restaurant in Venice Beach cook spaghetti to order, you donkey. I was wondering what the f you're doing. You're pushing me to the fucking limit, big boy, huh? Come here, you. You leave it here. Put it down. You come here.
Yes, chef.
What is that? What is that? That says at the best. What is it?
Sorry, chef.
Wait, it gets better. Look, touch that.
It's rubber, chef.
Oh my God! Unbelievable. No, 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 no. No! Get out! Out, out, out! Get out! Get your jacket off and fuck off! Yeah, come here, you. What are you doing? Just what the fuck are you doing? Every table so far, nothing's coming out. You're standing there, you're screwing me, and you're fucking useless.
Sorry, chef.
Yeah, do me a favour.
Yes, chef.
Take that off.
Ooh, la.
And fucking off the house! Get out! Get out! Hey, you! Leave the jacket and get out! Get out! Hey, you! Get out!
Thanks for waiting.
This is wrong! This is wrong! It's just wrong! Have you seen this shit? Disaster. Have you seen it?
Leon, you do know what the word cook means, right? Of course I do, Lord Ringrose. Look at it. The whole onion in there, skin roots and everything. The tomatoes still have all their stems, which is supposed to remove, and I don't even want to know what the deal is with this bird foot thingy that still is alive.
Believe it or not, I have a little trouble with chopping up produce. I always take out the whole building with the stems.
Hold up, you destroy whole buildings when you're chopping?
Yes. My Hercules edge is fantastically sharp, but I'm afraid it's a bit on the long side.
You use that for cooking?
Yep.
You fucking face, you fucking donkey!
Not that a new knife would really help our situation. I'm a true demon lord now, so eating this probably won't kill me, right?
It tastes good!
It looks like a witch's brew, but tastes awesome!
How? What's the meaning of this?
If you must know, when we were receiving gifts from Lord Rimuru, I prayed that I'd be better at cooking.
Huh?
Thanks to my new ability, anything I cook tastes fantastic no matter how I make it. So my gift is the unique skill Master Chef.